Hi there, startup tech enthusiast. Ever found yourself worrying about AWS cloud cost? Fret not, because I got you covered. What if I told you you can unlock copying $1,000 or $100K, almost 80 lakhs or 83 lakhs directly from AWS? Sounds incredible, right? Today I am here to guide you through the steps, and trust me, at the end of this, you will on your way to securing these game-changing credits. So buckle up, follow along, and let's dive into the AWS cloud magic. You just need to follow 6 steps. Firstly, open this link in a browser. So first step, you have to create your AWS Builder account. So for that, you have to give your email address and then your name and whatever the OTP you guys are receiving on your email, you guys have to put it there. Next step, you have to choose your credit package. So there are two options. One is the founder tier and one is the portfolio tier. So if you already have funding, you are associated with any accelerator, incubators or VCs, then you can choose your portfolio tier. If your startup don't have anything, then you can apply for $1,000. So next step, you have to complete your profile. So this is the thing, you guys have to follow this all the details. And on the fourth step, you guys have to describe about your products. Which product are you guys using from AWS? This thing you guys have to put it there. Now let's come to the fifth step. So you have to choose your AWS account. In that AWS account, you will receive your credit. So, and at the last step, you guys have to review all the details. You can edit and you can change the data if you think it's not correct, and then you guys have to submit. So it will take 7 to 8 days to review, and you will receive the email about the confirmation.